water filter are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best water filter from trustworthy brands to assist you in a making decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch this video. Number 1. Everydrop by Whirlpool Fridge Filter. In need of a sustainable filter which can filter water of up to 15 regular water bottles. This is a highly rated product by Everydrop. Everydrop has built its name in the market of fridge water filters by providing cleanest and safest drinking water. These filters use genuine coconut shell carbon, which are non-toxic and edible, to get rid of 99% chlorine and lead to providing safe drinking water for your family directly from the refrigerator. Also, these NSF 42, 53, and 401 certified filters can get rid of 28 contaminants like waterborne parasites, pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and lead. It is compatible with JennAir, KitchenAid, Amana, Maytag, and Whirlpool refrigerators. They can be installed easily without any professional help or the involvement of any tools. Best features: material, water filter, duration, 6 months, certification, NSF. Item weight, 2 ounces. Pros: sustainable fridge water filters, coconut carbon filters, NSF 42, 53, and 401 certified. Removes 28 different kinds of contaminants. Number 2. RPWFE Fridge Water Filter. Want an effective filter which can get rid of more than 50 contaminants from the water? These genuine RPWFE filters are the real deal, which are a perfect fit for your front door refrigerators. Lead is tasteless, odorless, and invisible when dissolved in water. These filters can guarantee removal of all the lead present in water. They are verified to remove 5 trace pharmaceuticals, which include fluoxetine, trimethoprim, atenolol, progesterone, and ibuprofen. Additionally, they also get rid of 99% chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, along with chlorine-proof cysts and other sediments. With the reduction of chlorine and chloramines, they provide better quality ice and water. They have a long-lasting life of 6 months and can filter 300 gallons of water. You do not need to turn the water supply off while installing the filter. Also, you do not need any tools. Best features: material, plastic. Duration, 6 months. Certification, NSF, a NSI standard 42, 53, 401. Item weight, 0.01 ounces. Pros: reduces 50 kinds of contaminants. Perfect fit for front door refrigerators. Removes 5 trace pharmaceuticals. Removal of chlorine and chloramines. Number 3. Frigidaire Fridge Water Filter. In search of a BPA-free fridge water filtering system which ensures great tasting and safer water flow directly from the refrigerators, then this authentic Frigidaire water filters get rid of the impurities which can be harmful for your family's health. These filters are tested and internationally certified by NSF to remove up to 99% of the unwanted particles from the water. They can remove the volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, along with the heavy metals like mercury and lead. They can also reduce chemicals like chlorine, insecticides, and pesticides. Further, they save more than 3 million trash bottles from around the world. They are more lightweight than most other fridge water filters. The installation is very simple and prevents leaks and other water damage. Best features: material, extruded carbon block filter. Duration, 6 months. Certification, NSF, ANSI. Item weight, 7.4 ounces. Pros: internationally certified. Removes VOCs. Saves more than 3 million trash bottles. Lightweight than most water filters. Number 4. Samsung Fridge Water Filter. Want a new fridge water filtration system for side-by-side or French door Samsung refrigerators? Then, these Samsung replacement water filters are an ideal choice for you. The ultra-grade and premium quality carbon block removes 34 kinds of harmful impurities like DEET, chlorine, mercury, and lead. Moreover, they can also remove chemicals including pesticides, herbicides, and unwanted pharmaceuticals. These filters are specially designed to reduce the risk of flooding or water damage of any kind. It has a durable usage of 6 months. It has a slim and lightweight design. Also, it is easy to replace and install. Best features: material, carbon. Duration, 6 months. Certification, NSF. Item weight, 0.77 pounds. Pros: ideal for Samsung refrigerators. Reduces 34 kinds of impurities. Slim design. Easy installation. Number 5. XWFE Fridge Water Filter. Looking for a Guaranteed Fit fridge filtering system for the bottom freezer refrigerators? This XWFE fridge water filter is regarded highly for its ability of 99% PFOS reduction. This certified water filter can get rid of chlorine-proof cysts, lead, and 50 other kinds of harmful impurities. Additionally, it can also take care of pharmaceuticals like fluoxetine, trimethoprim, atenolol, progesterone, and ibuprofen. By reducing materials like chlorine and chloramines, it can easily improve the taste and the odor of the filtered water. The filter is also BPA-free, which reduces 99% of bisphenol. The durability of the filter is 6 months long and can filter up to 170 gallons. The installation is very simple and is also tool-free, and also you do not to turn off the water supply. Best features: material, plastic. Duration, 6 months. Certification, NSF. Item weight, 0.01 ounces. Pros: reduction of PFOS, removal of chlorine-resistant cysts, BPA-free, 6 months durability. Thanks for watching. Click on the link given in the description to get the product now. To get more reviews of new products like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon next to it.